Okay, so welcome to today's market review. Today is exactly 11th of September 2021. Alright, so today I would like to start with the market structure on a daily time frame. Okay, we've seen for the past week, we've seen our higher time frame or long-term buy-side liquidity taken out over here. So, and we are, when you look at the commitment of traders report, the commercials are actually selling into this overall buying or uptrend. They are just selling into it, and we've taken out this high over here, and you can see a breaking market structure at this end, at this low. Okay, and so I think I did a video on market structure, how to determine how you can confirm a breaking market structure with higher probabilities in your favor. So with that, we see a breaking market structure, and anytime there is a breaking market structure, we should anticipate a pullback. Okay, we should anticipate a pullback. So price broke this low, we didn't have an immediate pullback to half of the range which is created, but they dropped down into this order block, the daily bullish order block, after taking out this low. Okay, so around this area we should expect some amount of retracement. Okay, some amount of retracement up into half of the range that is created. Usually most people use this high and then that low. Okay, and you get our equilibrium at this end. You get equilibrium at this end, the midpoint, 50% of the range at this point. So if you are looking to sell, what you do is that you expect price to move to at least half of the range as a retracement, then you sell into that according to other confluence factors that you would have. Okay, so I'm using this high, sorry, this area over here. Okay, that is the buy side liquidity that was taken out on this candle. Okay, so that's where I'm referencing my range from, even though you can just use this side. I prefer this side for my own reasons, but mostly you just have to just use the highest of it. Okay, all right, so we've seen the market structure break and price has dropped into an order block, and we've had a pullback into this down close candle. I did post a video, sorry, a picture before we dropped down there. So let me see. Okay, so this is it. All right, this is it. So I was, after price broke this low and we dropped into this bullish order block, I was expecting a pullback into at least half of the range that is being created. So I had a buy order to take me to the highs of these candles over here. Okay, the highs of these candles over here. All right, so that's what we have, and we had that movement up which went into this bullish order block, and we had a drop down. So a drop down. Okay, we had the drop down, and the drop down came into this imbalance over here, ICT imbalance. Let me put it that way, over here. Okay, and on Friday we had on Friday we actually had on Friday we had a positive news for the dollar index, and we bounced off after filling that imbalance down here. Okay, after filling that imbalance down here, we just had that bullish news coming in, which is also typical for Friday market reactions. So after price had retraced, I was expecting that we tackle these lows. Okay, this low, that low, this low, this low. Okay, that was what I was expecting price to drop down into, and then we had that news coming in and it just moved price up. So let's see what happens during the coming week. I'm still expecting the dollar index to drop heavily, to drop down into these lows. First I'll target these lows, then this low. Okay, that's my target for the coming weeks on the dollar index. So as it is, let's see what's happened in the euro and then the pound. Let me show what I posted first on the euro. So this is the 15 minutes market maker sell model I posted. Then this is the 1 hour market maker sell model. So let's see, let's go into the charts and see. Where are you? Okay, so let's start with the higher time frame. Okay, now with the higher time frame, we had, as we were expecting lower prices for the dollar index, you should be expecting higher prices for the euro. Okay, you should be expecting higher prices for the euro, and we see price take out this low over here at the time that the dollar index, at the time that the dollar index took out the buy side liquidity here, over here. Okay, so the euro was taking out the sell side liquidity down there. So after taking out those sell side liquidity, we should expect price to move back into the range, and then we have our break market structure at this high over here. Yeah, so that's the break market structure right there. Over there. So after the break market structure, we are anticipating a drop, a pullback. Okay, after taking out this low, but we couldn't get that pullback, but until price took out these highs over here. Okay, until price took out over here, then we had that retracement, as we had the retracement up in the dollar index. And I think the past week I posted the market maker buy model on this one, this very setup, and these were the highs that I was targeting in the previous review, which is also in the videos on my channel, YouTube channel. So that was that, and then let's drop down into the charts that I posted within the week and talk about it. All right. And talk about this chart. So this is a chart that I posted into the page before and after. Okay, so this is what's happening. I was actually expecting price on the 1 hour time frame to drop down into this lows, okay, into this low, but it is not actually guaranteed 100% guarantee that whatever we expect or whatever I expect is going to happen. It's just with higher probability predictions, okay. And I actually didn't get that low, okay. We didn't get that exact lows that I was expecting, but later in the week price tried to get to that lows and it still couldn't. So that's on the euro. So this is the buy side and then the sell side, just matching all the buying over here to the selling. You get the market maker sell model. And then let's go into the pound. So this is the pound. We are having the market maker buy model, okay. Market maker buy model over there. Drop into 30 minutes time frame. So these highs were my targets over here. These highs were my targets, and I think I posted some charts into the page, and as it was being formed. Let me see if I can get it. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so this was when it was being formed. Okay, when it was being formed, I actually had orders in the markets, and I got to know I got to see it after price took out these highs, this high over here. Okay, that's how I checked, and then I was expecting the market maker buy model, and this is what actually happened. Where are you? Yeah. This is what actually happened. Okay, so back into the charts. The higher time frame daily. Okay, so first of all, understanding market structure is very important in forex trading. It's actually going to help you know where the market is actually trying to move, and where to anticipate your buyings and your sellings. So as I'm expecting the dollar index to drop in the coming week, okay, to tackle these highs, so to tackle these lows in the coming week, I'm also expecting the pound and then the euro to be moving much higher, okay. To tackle probably on the pound, I'll be expecting price to drop up into these highs over here, okay, into these highs over here in the coming week. And then you have a potential market maker buy model on the higher time frame on the pound. But you know, this is forex, this is trading, anything can happen. It's only about probability. You don't just go into the market and then just place any order. You have to have confluences, which is in your favor. Then you attack. Okay, so that is that. The most important thing is knowing what the dollar index is likely to do, and you reverse what you're expecting the dollar index to do in your pound, euro, and then Aussie and any other currency that you trade, which is coupled with the dollar index. Okay, so that is that. Let's see what happens in the coming week. Trading is risky, so you just put in money you are willing to lose, so that you wouldn't find yourself wanting. Okay, and you trade at your own risk. You should be able to know your money management, which is very key to your trading journey. I'll be doing a video with the newcomers or people who are very new to forex trading. I just want to help some of you guys with some means you can get some money to fund your accounts and also understand the market very well. I'm actually compiling some resources together. When I'm ready, I'll just let you guys know. Just stick to your plan, stick to your bias. Okay, if you are expecting price to move up, just stick to it and learn something out of it. Okay, so that's that. Stick to your trading plan and don't deviate from it. That's what's going to save you from self-destruction. All right, peace.